Shri P.K. Gupta, the principal of Shri Dr. Deepak Das, Education Shri Kendra, East Girls, Meghalaya, the very renowned principal of your youth school, Mr. Ravi Kant, who is also a poet. In fact, last time when he came to my residence to invite me for this program, he had left a very beautiful copy of his poetry, and I have spent a few days reading them. So thank you very much for the beautiful book that you had given me, written by you. The faculty members of the school, the teachers, the different officers from various departments who are present here, my dear students, and everybody who is participating here today in this very important 27th parliamentary competition. This is, as all of us know, a flagship program of the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, and it has been conducted in various schools all over the country. And it gives me great pleasure to be a part of it today for the first time here in Williamnagar. To be honest, though I have been a member of parliament for a couple of years, I never had the pleasure of being in a mock parliament and watch children, depict what it is like to be in a parliamentary setting. So I'm very excited to actually witness the participants today and to see what our children, the issues that they will be bringing up. I also want to take this opportunity to apologize to all of you because I was not able to reach on time. I'm coming from Shillong and I completely forgot about the morning traffic that is there in Shillong. So I got a bit delayed because I did not incorporate the traffic, and because of that all of you had to wait for me. So I really apologize. Friends, we all know what this program is about. I don't want to take much of your time, but I'm really happy because it is a very familiar zone for me. I have been in the parliament for over 11 years and I've had a wonderful experience and I have to thank the people of Garo Hills and my father for giving me this opportunity to represent Garo Hills in the parliament. And to be honest, I think that if during my time, when I was a student, if there was a mock parliament like this, I would have perhaps gotten some experience, I would have got some experience to probably do much, much better when the real parliament came into my life. So all of you are extremely fortunate because the school is providing you this platform where you will develop your communication skills, where you will develop your ideas, where you will build your confidence. And that is something that is very, very important. Mr. Kant was saying that maybe some of you will see me here today and you may want to become a politician in the future. But I would also like to say that I believe that leadership is everywhere. You can be a leader not necessarily by just being a politician. We have so many leaders here today. We have Mr. Mara, who is an IS officer, and I have worked with him on many occasions when he was also in North Garo Hills as a DC. And he has shown exemplary leadership as an officer dedicated to Garo Hills. I can say the same thing about your principal. As an educationist, he is showing exemplary leadership. He, in the introduction, the chairperson of the program was saying that whenever he gets stressed out, he likes to come and teach children. That again, I is something that only leaders are capable of doing. Using your stress, using your troubles to actually, make it or put it in a bit better direction. If you can be stressed out and you can be productive about it, I think that is a leadership quality which your honorable principal has. We just heard about the jury members, the great contribution that they have done in their own fields. That again, Mr. Das, Mr. Gupta's contribution to society is again an example of leadership. And therefore, there are so many children here today. I would just like to say that while you are in school, use this opportunity to develop your leadership skills. Use this opportunity to discover what it is that defines you. All of us have different interests in life. And as long as we pick that one thing and commit ourselves 100% to it, I assure you, all of you will become leaders. And therefore, this mock parliament that we are having here today, it is just a way for you to build your confidence. It is a way for you to sensitize yourselves with various issues that impact our country today. It is a way for you to come out of your shell and try and become responsible citizens in the times to come. Mahatma Gandhi used to say, be the change you want to see. And that is what I urge all of you to do. There are so many issues in the world. Many of us are so engaged in our phones, in our mobile phones, especially the children of today, are so involved with their phones. But sometimes we only watch YouTube videos, we only watch reels, and there's nothing wrong in watching a little bit of entertainment. But if you actually use internet in the good way, in the right way, perhaps to expand your knowledge, watch documentaries, do some research, you will begin to understand how this world has so many problems and how each one of us can actually contribute in reducing those problems that we have. Therefore, I urge all of you, when you use your mobile phones, do spend some time trying to research, trying to understand this world better. When we were younger, we had to go to the library and sit there for hours to just get information on small topics. Sit in hours and hours in a library because even the books were limited. We did not have the luxury of the internet where information was available to us in just a few seconds. Today, information, that luxury is something that you have. And I urge all of